everybody, this is a review on my Switchblade. I got one and it got deleted, so I decided I'd do another one. It's a Sheng Switchblade. Pretty cool. It's got a green handle. It's like a tough plastic handle, I guess. It's got a silver pocket clip, not the best pocket clip, but it works. It's got a lock right here. I don't really use it, and then right here is the button. As you can see, opens pretty good. It is a plain blade. It is about, let me see, the blade is about 4 inches long. It's about 7 inches, the whole thing is. Pretty cool. Opens quick. It stays sharp for the most part. I do need to sharpen it every once in a while. It's pretty cool. It's nice and light. Opens quick. It's a little cheaper, but it's really nice. So that's my review. Thanks for watching.